Cleaning and disinfection. Proper cleaning and disinfection are essential practices across all food industries. These processes help to protect against the transmission of diseases by ensuring surfaces are free from harmful contaminants. Cleaning, the process of removing dirt, soil, and other objectionable matter from a surface. Detergent, a chemical, often made from soap, which enables the removal of dirt, soil, and other objectionable matter from a surface. They can include degreasers and abrasives. Does not kill bacteria. Disinfectant, a chemical used to reduce microorganisms to a safe level. Sanitizer, a combined detergent and disinfectant which contains the properties of a detergent and a disinfectant and can be used as a one-step process. Bactericidal/antibacterial, a process or chemical capable of killing bacteria. The table facilitates the process of differentiating between the terms of the cleaning process.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. New videos every week.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.